Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and in today's short video it will be a highlight from my 21st birthday live stream that happened on April 26th, which was last Friday as I record this. I was playing the competitive mode in Street Fighter 6 and wanted to rank up. So I was playing my favorite character, Juri, who made her debut in Super Street Fighter 4 back in 2010. In this video, I am the Juri wearing the black pajamas, and I wanted to share this little highlight from that stream, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, it's another Juri, yay. Oh, it's the same Juri from before. Ow. Maybe? Oh yes, it's gonna get her. Booyah! That felt weird to say. I hardly ever say booyah. I'm surprised she wants to, if she rematches. One, two, three. I feel bad for her. But yes, I'm from the great land of maple syrup. To answer Kappa's question. One, two, three. That was probably over. Oh my gosh, did she rage quit? She rage quit! She rage quit. That's oh, that's fabulous. Well, it's not fabulous because I don't get my points, but oh, it's a Street Fighter 6. The match was terminated due to a disconnection. That's funny. That's how you know that you're doing really well, when the opponent decides to rage quit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part of myself I'm missing. Now I got a lot to learn.